Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do mood changing effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the photo that you wanted to edit, you just click on the photo, and after this in here you just click on the style. And after this in here you can click on the smile face. This is the newest effect on CapCut, so you just click on it. And after this in here you just click on the check icon and finish. So that how to do mood changing effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.